Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Among Us on PC. Now there's two ways to download Among Us in PC. One is through Steam, the other is through Epic Games. Now for Steam you need to download Steam, for Epic Games you need to download Epic Games. Now I find using Epic Games simple, so I will show you how to download using Epic Games. So go on your browser and search for Epic Games download. Once you search for it, click on download Epic Games launcher. Once you click on it, from over here download Epic Games launcher. Click on over here download Epic Games, and Epic Games will download on your PC. Once Epic Games is downloaded on your PC, install it. Once Epic Games is installed, open Epic Games. Now once you open Epic Game, it's going to ask you to log in into your Epic Game account. So log in into your Epic Games account. Now once you log in into your Epic Games account, to play Among Us, you need to search over here where it says search store and search for Among Us. Now remember, Among Us is only free for Android and iOS. If you want to play Among Us on PC, you need to pay $1.99, which means $2. Search for Among Us. It's going to show you Among Us over here, so you need to click on it. Click on Among Us. Once you click on Among Us, it's going to show you Among Us price over here where you need to buy it. Now since I've already bought it, I don't need to buy it. But if you haven't bought it, you need to buy it. Over here, it's going to show you need to be 18 plus. So I'm sure I'm 18 plus. I will click on continue. And as you guys can see, it says $1.99. Now in my screen, it says in library because I've already downloaded and played Among Us. In your screen, it's going to show you buy. So you need to click on buy and buy Among Us. Once you buy Among Us, it's going to be shown right below quick launch, where you can just go inside library and choose Among Us and play. So that is how you guys can download Among Us on your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.